Hello again, congratulations on getting your anxiety down around those images. Now it's time for round 4, soundscapes related to heights. Just a reminder to rate how high your anxiety is from 0 to 100% for each soundscape, just like with the images in the last video. You may find this easier as fear of heights can be very visually dependent, but that just means you might graduate from this one faster. Ready? Here we go.
All right, here we go. In countdown.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Awesome work listening through to the end. Keep coming back to this video until the sounds seem nice and boring. Then move on to the next exposure video, which covers animated videos. I'm curious whether you found this easier without any visuals, so let me know how you found it in the comments below.